Hi.
Hi, mister. What's your name?
Wahid. Your name?
Akila.
Akila. Nice. You speak good English. Hello. Hi.
How are you? Hi.
I'm good.
Photo.
Photo? Okay. Nice. Okay. Bye-bye. Jakarta is a city which has a lot to offer, and there are many videos telling you where to go, what to do, what to see. This video will be different. What I like most about the city is the contrast between like the corporate buildings and the life on the street. To me, this is literally the definition of a concrete jungle. There's so much greens, so much life going on. Right now, I just stepped out of my house and already so many people started interacting with me.
Amsterdam, no?
Arnhem, no.
What?
Arnhem.
Arnhem.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Penot.
Ah,
Yeah.
football.
Yeah, penot. It's good dancing.
Ah. Dancing good.
Yeah. Leha.
There were so many good photo opportunities. It does feel a little bit uncomfortable walking around with my camera doing this, but I feel like this is something that I really want. And I want to do more photography. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be sweaty. Let's go. Okay, photo, good. Honestly, so far I've been here in Indonesia for about 30 days now. I've never experienced anything but like kindness and interest. Never felt unsafe. But now with my camera, it's of course a little bit different, like filming in their faces. But yeah, they seem to just really love it. They want the photos. So that's just really cool.
Wahid had to order a scooter taxi to the city center of Jakarta. He had gotten sidetracked. Not that he minded this at all. That's our guy, by the way. Wahid had gotten engaged in life with the locals. They were all so kind, interested, and inviting. To make it in time to the city center, he hopped on a scooter. The sun is setting. Let's continue our journey. The camera will soon switch to a GoPro. This photo is actually from some time back. It made Wahid hungry for more and inspired him to come back. After a quick takoyaki snack, Wahid continued. He thought of avoiding this alley. He's glad he didn't. Towards the end, Wahid definitely made some of his favorite photos. Unfortunately, his GoPro wasn't on all the time. These dark and narrow alleys might seem a bit intimidating at first sight as a foreigner, but once again, all Wahid received was kindness. Wahid actually never had anything to worry about. He had a guardian angel watching him after all. All that was left for him to do was to fill his stomach.
Well, I think that was it for tonight. Bye-bye.